Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube subscribe animations like this on the bottom of the at the bottom of the video. Okay, before I get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and leave a comment below say I subscribe. I'll reply as soon as possible. Okay, now I will start with After Effects first. Don't forget to stay until the end of the video because I have another method if you don't have After Effects and it's totally free. Okay, now I'll open our After Effects first and then open the project. I will leave a link below to let you guys download the pre-edited uh, pre-edited the After Effects files. So now okay, I'm open the file. Okay, so because my version is newer, so I'm going to convert. Okay, and then you'll see this. Okay, go to here, go to press this edit here, and then double click, and then this is YouTube verification badge. If you don't have, you just delete, or if you accidentally delete it, just press Ctrl J to undo. Okay, now this is edit a channel name. You press this and then press this T icon and then go to yeah, now you can edit. Okay, for me it's Ranzers Wolf. Okay, you can adjust your text here. Okay, this is your descriptions. Okay, you want to press this descriptions and then you edit. Okay, say me tech tutorial. Okay, now we go to the this is your channel logo. Double click and you'll see one this background. This is a transparent. This is a white background. So okay, now let's go to our logo and then we just open the file explorer and then go to drag your channel icon. Go to drag your channel icon into here. Okay, and then you adjust the size of your icon. This one, and then adjust. Okay, select back to the selection tools, and then yeah, make sure to become inside the column. Okay, like this, and then you can go back. Press here, edit here, and then you can go back. You see, and then yeah, your logo are in here. So now you're done, and then now you can test run. Okay, because now it's almost like this. You press back to this render. Okay, here it's like this. Subscribe, because it's not so you want to drag but so we can test it. Okay, after I finish this is the most important thing, is to export. You go to file, export, make sure to add to render queue, and then press this you see the option called lossless, press, and then here format, put to QuickTime. This remain original. Channel, go to set to RGB plus alpha, and then you are done, and then press OK. And then not just you to specify the output here. So maybe I just yes, go back to here. Subscribe to me. Okay, MOV is okay. Now save. Okay, now you and then go to renders. Okay, now your animation are processing. A few moments later. Okay, now we are done. and then go to check here, and then go to the go back to the places now. Yeah, you are now done from here. Okay, now we are done, and then now we proceed to the second method. So let's go to Google Chrome, and then press youtube.com, and then you paste this your channel, and then at the back of this link, this question mark sub, and then this, yep, and then press enter, and then you will see a subscribe pop-up notifications like this. Go wait a moment, like this. So you can put this short link behind your channel URL or channel link, so you can encourage your viewer to subscribe your channels. Okay, this is another way. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.